Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. This time it is none other than the Cinche aquatica gigante, or the giant water bug in English. They're also called toe biters in the US. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you guys like bugs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so now I have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or Bugs in English, and here it says Cinche aquatica gigante, or in English they're also called giant water bugs, or they're also called toe biters because these guys will nibble at your toes if you're not careful. And here it gives some information. These guys are aquatic, they live in fresh water. And here it gives a little description of this bug, and it gives information about their habitat, as well as other observations. It tells you all of the parts of the bug, as well as its scientific classification here in this like brownish part. And here it says water bugs and water scorpions. Look at those, that's impressive looking. And it gives the classification again for this type. These guys are impressive. When I got this, I couldn't wait to unbox it. It's so big, it's like impressive. And you guys will see it in just a minute when I show you the up close of the slide that we got. Is pretty crazy. And here it shows you the different types that live all over the world. And tell me guys, which one do you think is like the best one? I'm kinda like this one. It's the one that we got, that it came with, but I think it's the best one. You guys tell me what you think down in the comments below. And here, it shows you where they live. So they like to live in big bodies of fresh water. As I said before. submarine hunters. So these guys like to swim in these freshwater like lakes or lagoons, and they like to go after like eggs of fish and other insects. As well as like small fish. You would think that like fish would eat the bugs, but nope. And they also eat, as you can see here, they eat small frogs and lizards. These guys will eat just about anything they can get their little hands on, basically. But their main predators are birds, then like mammals, like rats and that sort of thing, and nocturnal raptors. And here it gives some of their main prey. So insect larvae, tadpoles, and fishes. But as we saw before, they also eat frog or lizard. They have their eggs on the back, a bit like frogs do. And then here at the end, it has different puzzles for you to do, as well as a quiz. That's the back. And well guys, that's the end of that, and now it's time to have an up close look at our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, now it's time to have an up close look at our brand new bug. He looks really cool. He looks a bit like an alien to me, but he's really big. It's pretty impressive. You guys tell me what you think. I mean, he's bigger than, almost bigger than, well, he is bigger than my hand. That is pretty impressive. I don't know. I really like him. You guys tell me what you think. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way you will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this collection? I would love to hear from you. And guys, of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.